everyone, welcome to my channel HearUpUSA. Today we are doing a brand comparison between Phonak Audio i50R and Signia Pure Charge & Go One iX.
First up, let's dive into the Phonak box. Slotted neatly at the top is the sleek silver Phonak Audio L50R hearing aid itself, showcasing an incredibly compact and ergonomic design. Right beside it, we find a handy universal cleaning accessories kit packed with everything you need for daily maintenance. Underneath that layer sits the main accessory box, which opens up to reveal the beautiful matte gold Phonak Charger Ease protective case. This hardshell case safely houses your devices while charging, and right behind it, you'll spot the sleek USB-A to USB-C charging cable along with an extra pair of rubber domes for the perfect ear fit. Now let's slide over to the Signia Pure Charge & Go One iX box, which kicks off with the official user guides and warranty manuals. Instead of a single case, Signia treats us to two distinct glossy white portable travel cases, each safely cradling a flesh-toned Pure Charge & Go 9 hearing aid inside. Moving deeper into the box, Signia also includes a separate white desktop charging dock with a built-in USB power cable for your home setup, along with a dedicated dual-sided cleaning brush tool. Finally, tucked away underneath is a red desiccant dehumidifier jar containing a drying gel capsule to keep your premium hearing aids